We've only had a few nights where it was really, really cold, down in the 20s or so. But the majority of the nights have been in the 30s, high 30s at that. So I've been burning mostly my maple and ash. But like I said, I like to whisk it off before I bring it in there. I know it's still gonna create some debris, but knock off the bulk of the stuff. I got my pile right there. It's got a little bit of beech, oak, maple, ash, just a mixed bag. And then over here I have all oak. Next one down is all oak. Further down the line here we have a mixture, maple, ash, and I accidentally mixed in some of that white fir with it, but thankfully it wasn't a lot, so we'll just make sure that's mixed and we won't burn exclusively. Then we have mixed bag here, and then we got oak down there, and then down in the field we got some more oak. The oak down in the field, we have nothing but sun down there, and we get nice breezes going through there, so we're gonna burn that first next year. Oh, this maple and ash, I mean, it goes right up, lights real well, make a lot of kindling out of it as well. Come. Good boy. That's a good boy. Come here, buddy. Come here. That's a good boy, huh? That's a good boy. Break. All right. I think that'll do it. There, get this stacked. Firewood, baby, firewood. tell you, I wish I had a sawmill. This is some pretty good wood here. Make some boards out of it. It's a loose stacked, but it's the last face cord here, so I'm not too worried about it. It's a nice little end piece there. I'll stop bringing that up. Good fire starter right there. What are you doing, boy? What are you doing? Sarge, what are you doing? That's a good boy. Come here, that's a good boy. And that's for a fire pit. So it's not the best looking stack, but it'll dry.